Hello students, I have taken one problem from the P. Bahadur book that is based on the states of matter chapter. Let us see what the problem is, student. At what temperature will O2 molecule have the same root mean square velocity as N2 molecule at 227 degrees Celsius, right student? So see student, they are talking about RMS speed. So RMS speed means 3 RT by, that is m. So they are asking, that is two cases they are asking, that is RMS if you are writing for the, that is O2, and that is RMS you are writing, that is N2. So similarly what is that is root 3 RT by MO2, and here is that is root 3 RT by, that is MN2, right student? So two cases are being formed here. So that is RMS will be same student. So we are writing 3 RT upon MO2 means molar mass of oxygen 32, and here is 3 RT and molar mass of nitrogen is, that is 28, right students? See, so RT and RT cancel out, 3 cancel out, R cancel out. Temperature are different given student. T by 32 is equal to T by 28. अब see here for what temperature they have, at what temperature will O2, for O2 they are asking, and 227 is given. So for O2 let it be, that is T, that is O2, this is temperature for O2 upon 32 is equal to T. For what they have given 227 plus how much is there, for other temperature they have given, for how much, 273 upon what, 28, because we are converting in Kelvin student. So TO2 upon 32 is equal to, if you add it out, so how much is coming, 730, 72910 and 500. So 500 upon 20. Okay, if you multiply out TO2, so how much is coming student, that is 500 into 32 upon how much, 28. Okay, so we have to multiply it out, we have to multiply out. So let us see what the value you will be able to get out here. So that is 500 multiplied by 32. So it is coming student, it is coming, that is 1600 divided by 28. So if you divide by 28, so it is coming student 571.42. This is Kelvin. So that is, okay, TO2 in degree Celsius. TO2 is, that is 571.42, 571.42 Kelvin. This is okay, but in degree Celsius, in degree Celsius. So if you want to calculate in degree Celsius, so how much you will get, that is TO2 is equal to, what we can do student, that is 571.42 minus 273. So how much you will be able to get student, 298.4 degrees Celsius. That is temperature for the oxygen at 98.4 degrees Celsius. They have the same root mean square velocity.